Assalamu alaikum and good afternoon. Again, we are in IT International Conference on Science and Contemporary Technology in the continuation of the session activity of IEEE DUBT student branch. IEEE DUBT student branch is one of the largest student branches in entire IEEE Bangladesh section since October 29, 2017, and now they are flourishing to enhance the quality and variance of the nature of event and reach new heights. They got the opportunity to collaborate with many other countries, student branches like Pakistan, Sri Lanka, India, Mauritius, Turkey, Kenya, which increase their network. They have women in engineering affinity group and computer, power and energy, industry application, robotics and automation, industrial electronics, signal processing, photonics, biometrics, sensor system, RFID, nanotechnology, and semiconductivity chapter. Now I ask to share their activity video to the branch chair. Please enjoy the video.
Especially insights of IEEE membership benefits and STEM engagement. There are thousands of awards available, so you can apply.
Actually, I'd like to talk about the solar power forecasting using deep learning algorithm.
Or we are running through the machine learning model.
This is all about the smart grid. So I'm talking about the smart power grid. So what you have to do is that you have to study what we did.
Now I would like to request to our honorable speaker, Dr. Firoz Midha, to proceed our workshop. Thank you.
Everybody can understand your work by reading your paper. That means what?
Using this platform, we can easily meet with professionals.
have a very
সুতরাং স্বপ্ন দেখতে হবে, গঠনমূলক স্বপ্ন দেখতে হবে এবং যে স্বপ্নটা আমরা বাস্তবায়ন করতে পারি, আমরা একটা সুন্দর দেশ দেখতে পারি।
Organizers who came up with the idea of jointly organizing.
It is my distinct pleasure to be part of this forum.
It's really a wonderful experience of being here and giving me this opportunity to share about my experiences.
The integration and the challenges we are facing while the integration of renewable energy in microgrids.
Many, many thanks to everyone from Bangladesh, Pakistan, Sri Lanka, and other countries for actively participating in our seminar.
I am very happy to present this lecture at the IEEE UPT student branch of Bangladesh.
অনলাইন সাইবার সিকিউরিটি যে সেমিনারটি আয়োজন করেছিল দুইটি অর্গানাইজেশন।
কোভিড এর কারণে বেশি সাইবার অপরাধ বেড়ে গিয়েছে।
Security guys are the ones who are always dealing with
I would like to thank the student branches of IEEE Bangladesh sections. So I'm going to use their platform called Mentimeter for this. I hope many of you.
পেশাজীবীদের একটি সামাজিক যোগাযোগ মাধ্যম। সামাজিক যোগাযোগ মাধ্যমগুলোর মধ্যে এটি অন্যতম একটি ওয়েবসাইট। আমাদের আজকের অতিথি মোহাম্মদ গিয়াসউদ্দিন স্যার।
লিঙ্কডইনের বিভিন্ন খুঁটিনাটি বিষয়গুলো খুব সংক্ষেপে দেখানোর চেষ্টা করব।
Welcome to today's workshop on Basic Adobe Illustrator, organized by IEEE BUBT student branch.
Thank you so much for having me. I would like to start with my two supporting partners, Tanjit Chokot and ND Moinul Islam. Make a color change.
Welcome to today's webinar on getting started with volunteering in IEEE.
I would also like to thank BUBT student branch for providing me this opportunity.
Passion and profession tend to change the livelihood of a person, while both refer to an act.
So it's very important to develop this perception about oneself, both in person as well as.
I really would like to thank all of the participants and also today's guest speakers.
So my presentation is on MEMS and microfluidics for biomass.
Good afternoon, everybody. This is Afnan Salim, currently a student in Department of Law and Justice in Metropolitan University and also a language trainer. Necessity of proficiency in English. All of us, we have a notion here that when we are speaking about English, we are thinking about, oh my God, I have so many grammatical methods to learn. I need to know about literature. and so and so. But no, today what I'm going to speak is about proficiency.
মেন্টর সাইবার সিকিউরিটি রিসার্চার লিনাক্স কি এই বিষয়টি নিয়ে কথা বলতে আসলে প্রথমে একটা গুরুত্বপূর্ণ কথা মনে পড়ে যে সেটা হচ্ছে ম্যাক্সিমাম ক্ষেত্রে আমরা বলে থাকি যে লিনাক্স একটি অপারেটিং সিস্টেম।
তার মানে লিনাক্সের যে সিস্টেমের ডিফল্ট যে ফোল্ডারগুলো থাকে সেই ফোল্ডারগুলোর কাজ কি এবং সেখানে কি কি স্টোর করা থাকে সেগুলো সম্পর্কে ওভারঅল।
Thank you so much, Rimon, for your nice introduction. Before starting this workshop, I shared something about the history of email. Roy Tomlinson developed the first system able to sense mail between user and host across ARPANET using @sign. See this message, there is a meeting tonight at 10 p.m. to join. Just click here, this logo, and meeting here, direct join this meeting.
ইভেন্ট ম্যানেজমেন্টে সবাইকে স্বাগত জানাচ্ছি।
ইভেন্টের মেন জিনিসটা নির্ভর করে কিন্তু হচ্ছে স্পিকারের উপরে করব। ক্লিক করলে দেখা যাবে যে ক্রিয়েট অ্যান ইভেন্ট, সেখানে আমরা যদি ক্লিক করি সোনাল, যেমন মনে করেন আপনি যদি পার্সোনালিটি থেকে হচ্ছে আপনার ইভেন্ট খুলতে চান তখন আপনার এখানে বিভিন্ন অপশন আসবে।
Thank you, Tabin, for the presentation. Now we can do an open discussion how we can enrich the IEEE student branch in our university, and also we can increase the collaboration throughout the world. In this regard, I request Professor Dr. A.K. Mujahidul Islam, you can for giving us the suggestion and also the discussion on it.
Am I audible, by the way?
Yes, sir.
All right. Thank you very much, first of all, for inviting me. I mean, I'm not prepared, actually. I was not prepared because less than 1 hour I received the invitation, but because this is under, I have been newly elected as the IEEE Bangladesh sections student activity coordinator. So I thought that it would be good if I can join the program so that I can know the young guys, especially BUBT, IEEE student branches, those who are leading, and as well as the mentors. So I was just going through your video slides. I see that a lot of events that you have actually conducted during this pandemic period. Especially I see that a lot of activities that you have conducted this year, so I really appreciate you for this. It is not that easy actually during pandemic to motivate the young students like BUBT, IEEE student branches students, and also to motivate the members. So I have been with my universities. I belong to UIU, so I am leading leading in the sense that actually I am mentoring them, the student branch over there. So what I have seen that actually during this COVID period, it was not that easy to conduct a series of events, but what you have done is a tremendous work. And of course, if you do not do that, then how do you approach to the upcoming students, that the newcomers, that because students, they have to pay for the yearly subscription, and then why they would like to pay for such thing where actually, and what if they don't see any benefits. But so the thing is, you have to show that IEEE student branch is actually a professional network which actually can bring them out of the university even. I mean, it is not only the networking that they have created among the departments in the institutions, but also with other universities. So I would like to tell you that as you are mentioning that going global, but I would rather would like to see that first try local, first try to organize events with other universities. For example, let's say that UIU student branch, North-South student branch, okay, AIUB student branch, East-West student branch, Kuwait student branch, Chuet student branch, for example, Dhaka University student branch. You create a good networking with your community first, okay? Then you see that, then think about the global arena, okay? Of course, I mean, it's a good initiative that you have been thinking that to establish some sort of networking with the neighboring countries like India, Pakistan, Sri Lanka, Nepal, even Malaysia, because I was there in Malaysia. I know that how strong the branches are. But the good point here is that our Bangladesh IEEE section is playing a very vital role. Actually, they are the 5th among the whole world. So as our the chair yesterday, he was during his speech, the newly elected chair, Professor Moshil, was mentioning. So that's a tremendous work that have been done by the earlier chairs like Professor Celia, Professor Fattah. I need to mention their names. So they are quite friendly actually to promote IEEE student branches. So I would like to tell you that please make a plan, a yearly plan. Okay, so think about the events that you would like to conduct. Okay, continuously discuss with your mentors, and then try to execute those plans accordingly and make a good network first within the country. Then you will see the things will be very easier. So I'm here to represent IEEE Bangladesh section. If you need any support from us, please let us know. We are always open. Our door is always open for you. Thank you very much for giving me the floor.
Thank you, sir, for your inspiring word. Now I like to invite Professor Dr. Anwar Hussain, Chairman, Department of IEEE BUET, to say something for the young IEEE student branch student. Sir.
Thank you, Dr. M. Firuzmita and Professor Dr. A.K.M. Mojahidul Islam. Actually, he has given a lot of instruction in this meantime, actually. I think our student can follow his instruction, and then they will get the as well. So actually, it is very nice starting for BUBT student branch actually. With the leadership of Kabil, actually, they have done a lot, and I think it is very nice starting. And I hope it will be continued with the more innovation. Actually, innovation is a journey, not a destination. So that is why I would like to mention it. So please continue with more innovation. And I would like to thank all of the students of our branches actually. And I hope that they will continue their journey. So thank you.
Thank you, sir. Now I like to say something. If Kabil, do you have anything to say? Then you can take the floor.
Thank you, sir. It's already too late. I don't want to take any more time. Also, we have another session after some minutes. Thank you so much, A.K.M. Mojahidul Islam, sir, Professor, Department of IEEE, UIU, and also Student Activity Coordinator at IEEE Bangladesh section for your valuable speech. Sir, we are grateful for your time and effort you took to share your thought and experience about IEEE. I believe we can benefit immediately from the methods you're sharing to us today, and we hope to use your suggestion in our next event. Thank you again for your contribution. Also, thank you all respected teacher and participant for joining.
Thank you. Thank you all the participants. Thank you, sir. Thank you, Professor Dr. A.K. Mujahidul Islam, sir. Thank you, Professor Anwar Hossain, sir, and all the faculty members who are participating from our university and others university. So our session for this event will be conclude now, and we will wait for the we'll move to the next session. Thank you all the participants.
Thank you very much.